Good day, guys. Just get home, and probably I will be having a couple of hours sleep because I will be doing a night shift, so it's kind of be really long day and night for me. That's all my beers. I love it. Okay, let's go outside and I'll show you those beautiful flowers in the garden, and I will get as well the clothes. Come in here, pussycat. So it's really beautiful flowers in the beautiful garden too, and there's a small strawberry there. I don't eat strawberry, so it's just really an amazing nature. It's a beautiful flowers. Changing of colors, as you can see po. Kaya paborito ko po ang autumn. Dito nagbabago po yung color ng leaves. So it's just beautiful. And in that garage po, I saw a brown snake running in front of me. And hindi ko po siya pinatay. And I can see that probably, or should I say, siguro nasa sa mga boxes po siguro. And I'm scared to open the boxes, baka kasi po andun. So I'll be ringing snake catcher soon and find out. So ito lang po, maganda po ang panahon ngayon. It's really sunny. Beautiful. I love nature po kasi, especially po pag nakakita po ako ng mga bulaklak with different colors. So it's beautiful. And tomorrow po is a federal election here in Australia, so we're gonna vote para malaman kung sino po ang magiging prime minister. It could be the incumbent one or a new prime minister. So it's kind of excited too. And let's see how it goes. Tahimik po ang election. Hindi katulad sa atin. Medyo maingay po. I could say magulo. So after my shift tonight, I just probably sleep, and then when I wakes up, fix myself, having a shower, and I will cast my vote. So yun lang po ang ganap sa ngayon. I'm so busy at work. Marami po kasing nag-holiday, kaya medyo short po ang staff. And I couldn't file my annual leave because naunahan na po ako nila. So hopefully June or July, I can go back to Philippines to have a holiday. It's been a while, and I miss my nanay and my brother and my niece and those people out there. Sobrang miss ko na po. And of course po yun. Miss ko na pong gumimik. That's the main thing po. So, ito po. I love the beautiful trees. So, yun lang po muna sa ngayon. If you like this video po, give me a thumbs up po. And don't forget to subscribe po and smash the red bell icon so that you'll be notified with my upcoming videos po. Bye for now!